Remove object from a photo. Now, this is for anybody who take photos, but we find that people who travel take a lot more photos than other people. So the picture on the top is the original. It was just a beautiful day in Cozumel, and we were on a dive boat. I think scuba tanks kind of give you the idea that we're on a dive boat, calm waters, but there's big pole in the middle. I want to get rid of that pole to do the bottom picture. Now, you may have heard about the Pixel phone's magic eraser. So this is Jim's Pixel. This does not work on my phone. Even though I have Google Photos, it's only the Pixel that has this Google Photos feature called Magic Eraser. So I open up Google Photos, I find that photo, and I edit it. Tap on the edit button. And it's a tool. So I scroll over to Tools, and there is Magic Eraser. And what you have to do, you have to kind of rub along what you want to erase. And I did not do that very good. Okay, so I will undo that. And it says zoom in for better accuracy. Okay. So I'll kind of, go like so. And I still didn't get it all. Okay. That's pretty good. But it took me a couple of tries. So this is kind of like the heel on
Snapseed.
Snapseed. Yeah. Very much like the heel. Okay. But so here is one thing that I actually think is a little bit better. So on my Samsung, I said the Google Photos does not have that feature. I can't go to edit and tools. Magic Eraser is not there. It's only on the Pixel. But if I go to gallery and find that photo, now that's the tricky part, and edit it. On the Samsung gallery, the edit button is this pencil. Then I have to know that under the 3-dot menu, there is Object Eraser. It studies the photo, and it says tap or draw around. So I can just tap on that post, and notice how the whole thing turns a little pink, and erase. I think that's pretty cool. And I've used it. Now, if you really, really know what to look for, you can see that something has been done in here, but nah, I think that's just excellent. And you would tap done and save, remove, and it's really good for taking people, extraneous people out of a photo. Or a garbage can, or anything that you don't want in the photo. That's why it's called remove object.